Now you read the title, so here we go right away. Number 1. Assign the record function to the shutter button. It's easier to reach, overall more convenient. It should be a default setting, it isn't, so let's set it up. Enter the menu by pressing the menu button on the bottom right corner. First main menu, fifth submenu, come all the way down to button function, and for fully press, select Start Stop Movie Recording. This way, once you hit the record button, you start recording, and once you hit it again, you stop. Number 2. This is terribly annoying. So, once and for all, turn the viewfinder off for video recording. Enter the menu, third main menu, the one with the wrench, fourth submenu, come all the way down to Display Settings, and for display control, select Manual. Then, for manual display, select Screen instead of Viewfinder. So this doesn't do anything. Number 3. Screen brightness. Usually you can get by using the standard value, which is 3 or 4. On a bright sunny day, however, you might need to crank up the screen brightness, which will make the live view workable, but the downside is you're killing battery life fast. So here's a way to set up the camera so you can use level 7 screen brightness at will. Once again, enter the menu, third main menu, once again the one with the wrench. Come to the fifth submenu and enter Custom Functions. Come all the way to Custom Controls and enter. And then for the trash can button or clicking down on the click wheel, you can select this function, Maximize Screen Brightness temporarily. So once you've selected that, by clicking down on the click wheel, you can temporarily go to level 7 screen brightness. 4. Use the custom menu. The M50, as all Canon cameras, already have pretty good usability. Great usability actually. It's a very good touch interface and the menu structure makes sense. Still, when doing a menu dive, about 95% of the time is spent getting to the function you actually want to get to, not setting it up. By using the custom menu, which is offered by the EOS M50, you will be able to speed up the process of menu diving by like literally 95%. Now here's one important thing before you can set up the custom menu. If you come to display settings, for menu display, select standard, not guided, because this way you will get the fifth main menu, the custom menu. Here you can configure and name an awesome menu like I did. And you can put 6 different menu items in there that you will use most of the time. If you want to know how to set this up exactly, check out the video I've linked in the top right hand corner. Part of it goes into detail on how to create this exact custom menu. Now, how do you know which menu items to put in the custom menu? Simply use the camera for a week and you will know which ones you use the most often. Those go in there, and from that point on, you'll have a way easier time communicating with your camera. Number 5. Should you use the camera in movie auto exposure mode a lot? Outside? Should you, for example, vlog outside a lot? Chances are you're gonna have a lot of blown out skies. My recommendation to compensate for that is, in movie auto exposure mode, constantly underexpose by 2/3 to 1 stop. This will keep the detail in the skies as much as possible, but also somewhat underexpose yourself. So this is only a viable option if you don't mind that, or if you later on in post-production know how to raise the shadows a little. Overall, this will give you the way better image with much less blown out skies. Once you've set up movie mode via the top mode dial, it is rather simple to go from manual exposure to auto exposure. Tap the icon in the top left corner, select movie auto exposure, then select OK. In this mode, clicking up on the click wheel will allow you to change the exposure compensation via the click wheel on top. 3 clicks to the left, that is -1. 2 clicks, -2/3, 1 click, -1/3. This setting will stay put as long as you record the video. If you want to make sure you don't alter it by accident, click up once more. Now, the click wheel doesn't do anything. As soon as you want to alter it again, click up on the click wheel, and now you have full control again. Now what you're looking at right here is a fairly common result of auto exposure mode with the EOS M50 as soon as there's sky in the image. Not much detail. Now let's underexpose by 1 stop. And there you go, much nicer sky. To finish it off, let's raise the shadows a little in post-production. And now you're looking at the finished image. So these were my 5 simple ways to instantly make your M50 better. If you liked the video, if you found it helpful, please make sure to leave a thumbs up, it's greatly appreciated. Any kind of comment or feedback is welcome and I'll try to answer as quickly as possible. All the tech that I've used in this video is linked in the description. As always, thank you so much for your time, thank you for watching and hopefully see you again soon.